So if you guys remember from the last video, this is the one with the marked out crank. It's getting rebuilt today, so it should be fairly interesting.
Crank turns like butter.
Oh wait, this is like the new crank?
Yeah, buddy.
So they got the new buttery crank in there. Looks pretty good. Boom. So yeah, they'll get to rebuilding that, and I'll get to filming that for you guys on the YouTubes. Please click a like. This is the donor block they got the crank from. The heads were bad. They're using the good crank, good bottom end, putting it in that, and then using the good top end from the old engine, and then putting it back on that.
All the lubricate.
And she is as smooth as day, you guys. Look at that.
Buttery smooth.
He's doing it with that little ratchet, so I mean that kind of goes to show you guys. Sorry if the camera quality changed halfway through. I forgot to charge my camera battery, so I'm on my phone right now. Yeah, looks good. Put in the comments below how much horsepower you think this is making right now. You guys, bit of an update. I was sick a couple days, so I missed a lot of the footage, but it's all put back together and it's going back in. Just using the cherry picker to get it up.
That's probably shitty, right? Now on Ford, they have it, it's just a dummy switch. It's on or off. All the oil pressure. Like it doesn't, the gauge actually doesn't read oil pressure. It just reads that it has it. Nope, I don't. You didn't know that about Ford?
That must be like reason numero uno of why we're here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We don't read the actual pressure rating. We just know whether it has it or
We
not.
just know that it has like above, I think it's like above 15 PSI, it turns the light, like it says it's good. So you could have 15 PSI booting down the fucking highway and it's still gonna be like, yeah, we're great. Until the rod goes.
It has a pretty, not noisy, but it's there. Valve train tick, so he's just lifting off the valve cover to inspect what's going on. But other than that, yeah, it's all buttoned up pretty much, and yeah, it cranked over, so Boom.
No, just the other one that you noted. This one's not too bad. Go roll it a bit more. Or are you looking in there? Or you're looking at me. Why the fuck are you looking at me? No one wants to see me. Want me to mark them?
Yeah.
Man, it's oily as fuck now. Whoa, sparky spark. No, that one's normal. Just these two, for sure. Just that one? Two for shizzle? Oh, that's three.
So, if you guys are wondering, yes, it has a lifter tick. This side has been diagnosed and fixed, but this side Aaron is currently working on, just marking which ones have play and which ones don't. So yeah, should be almost done, but we'll just keep her trucking, man.
Sounds a bazillion times better than it did.
All right, it's definitely better than how it was.
Well, it's 1,000 times better than what it's been like.
Yeah. True. As you guys saw from the last video, that crank was toasted. So
Toasted, I think, is an understatement on that one.
it was burnt. How about that? Well, buttoning up a couple things. So I guess that's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. What do you guys say, Aaron?
Fuck Ford.
He says fuck Fords. Jeez, man, that's a rough thing to say. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment. We'll be doing more Fords probably in the future. And what do you gotta say? Anything? Bye-bye? Any goodbyes? Peace out, you guys.